Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 running shoes in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading running shoe that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Brooks Men's Ghost 15 Neutral Running Shoe. Designed for a smooth ride, it offers comfort and support. Let's explore its standout features. The Ghost 15 is perfect for runners seeking a smooth ride without distractions. Its refined 3D fit print creates a seamless, secure fit for ultimate comfort. Offering neutral support and high energizing cushioning, the Ghost 15 is ideal for road running, cross-training, or the gym. It's a versatile shoe for various activities. The new DNA Loft V2 midsole provides soft, lightweight cushioning. Enjoy distraction-free comfort under your feet with each stride. The segmented crash pad, an integrated system of shock absorbers, ensures a smooth transition from landing to toe-off. Experience stability with every step. The engineered air mesh upper offers comfort and breathability. Combined with the 3D fit print, it provides added structure and a secure fit. In conclusion, the Brooks Men's Ghost 15 combines comfort, support, and stability. Perfect for runners seeking a high-performance shoe, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 4. The ASICS Men's Gel-Kayano 31 Running Shoes. These shoes offer exceptional comfort and support for runners. Let's explore their standout features. The engineered mesh upper enhances breathability, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. Perfect for long runs and intense training sessions. The knit heel pull tab allows for easy on and off, adding convenience to your routine. It's a small feature that makes a big difference. The 4D guidance system helps create adaptive stability for a more balanced stride. Experience improved control and support with every step. Rear foot Pure GL technology provides lightweight cushioning and softer landings. Enjoy a smoother and more comfortable running experience. NOVABLAST Plus ECO cushioning is made with approximately 20% bio-based content, offering cloud-like comfort. The Ortholite X55 sockliner adds an extra layer of plushness. In conclusion, the ASICS Men's Gel-Kayano 31 running shoes combine breathability, stability, and comfort. Perfect for runners seeking high performance, they're a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 3. The Nike Pegasus 41 Men's Road Running Shoes. This model, in white dusty cactus glacier blue black, offers top-notch performance and style. Let's explore its standout features. The upgraded breathable engineered mesh upper ensures your feet stay cool and comfortable. This design provides excellent ventilation, making it perfect for long runs. Featuring React-X foam, the midsole surrounds the forefoot and heel with air zoom units. This combination delivers an energized and responsive ride, perfect for any runner. The signature waffle-inspired rubber outsole offers superior traction and flexibility. Enjoy confident strides on various surfaces with this durable design. A plush collar, tongue, and sockliner provide a secure and comfortable fit. Experience a snug feel that supports your feet throughout your runs. In conclusion, the Nike Pegasus 41 Men's Road Running Shoes combine breathability, cushioning, and comfort. Perfect for runners seeking performance and style, these shoes are a great addition to your gear. Number 2. The New Balance Men's Fresh Foam X More V4 Running Shoe. This shoe offers exceptional comfort and support for runners. Let's explore its standout features. The Fresh Foam X midsole foam delivers our most cushioned experience. With approximately 3% bio-based content, it provides comfort and helps reduce our carbon footprint. The engineered mesh upper offers zonal support and breathability. It's designed to keep your feet cool and comfortable during long runs. Data-informed outsole placement ensures stability and traction. Enjoy a confident stride on various terrains with this well-designed outsole. Featuring a screen-printed 3D logo, the shoe combines functionality with style. The sleek design makes it a fashionable choice for any runner. In conclusion, the New Balance Men's Fresh Foam X More V4 running shoe combines comfort, support, and style. Perfect for runners seeking a reliable and high-performance shoe. Number 1. The ASICS Men's NOVABLAST 4 Running Shoe. This shoe promises comfort and performance for runners of all levels. Let's explore its standout features. The ASICS NOVABLAST 4 offers an energized ride with its polyester mesh upper, mesh lining, and ortholite insole. Enjoy breathability and comfort during every run. The tongue wing construction helps improve the fit and reduce tongue movement. This feature ensures your foot stays secure and comfortable throughout your run. With an engineered woven upper, the shoe offers more stretch, ventilation, and durability. It's designed to handle the demands of long runs and intense training sessions. Cushioning FF Blast Plus ECO cushioning, made with recycled bio content, creates softer landings and more energized toe-offs. Experience both comfort and sustainability with every step. In conclusion, the ASICS Men's NOVABLAST 4 running shoe combines comfort, durability, and eco-friendly design. Perfect for runners seeking a reliable and high-performance shoe. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.